Learn with Lily.
Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn about the question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a question. A question has several names. It can be called a question, or an interrogative sentence, or maybe an asking sentence. A question mark can look like this. Let's go ahead and make a few asking sentences or interrogative sentences. This is Madel and this is Peter. Madel will ask questions with a question mark at the end, and Peter will answer with a period at the end. Ready? What's your name? My name is Peter. How old are you? I'm 12. Would you like some cookies? Sure, thank you. At the end of every question asked by Madel, there was a question mark. Simple as ABC, right? Now, are you ready for a quick quiz? I'm going to give you several sentences and you're going to determine if there should be a period or a question mark at the end of each sentence. Are you ready? It's chilly outside. Can you close the window? Thank you for closing the door. Which punctuation do you need at the end of these sentences? A period or a question mark? Time to check. It's chilly outside. It's a period. Good job. Yeah! Can you close the window? It's a question mark. Bravo. Yeah! And thank you for closing the door. It's period. Awesome. I hope this video helps you better understand about question mark punctuation. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.